just wrapped up a great event together with Co-Founders Club and Starplan. ThinkUp is an all-in-one AI platform that helps startup founders grow their idea into a thriving venture.
Entrepreneurs are not sure what they want to do, what they want to develop, or in what way, and ThinkUp just show them very clearly the way to do it.
We had the opportunity to meet great founders, early-stage founders. We discussed ideas.
Will solve the problem for freelancers.
Applications for searching other people to travel with them.
We are building an ecosystem for young startups.
ThinkUp is a platform that helps to check the hypotheses of businesses and to grow faster.
I love getting different opinion because we are all biased with our ideas.
You feel like actually someone guide you. It's amazing, and I'm definitely recommend to work with ThinkUp.
I will use it in the future.